little extra glaze that I saved. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So are you truly doing good? Terrific. So guys, I am bringing you this quick little clip on how to make a honey ham. Okay, so yeah, we have us a nice little cut of a spiral honey ham. You guys, let me turn it this way for you guys. And yeah, it was reasonable $14 ham. And yeah, your girl wanted to put it on for Sunday dinner. So as you see, I have removed the packaging off of it. Let me throw this away and wash my hands. So, we have a nice cut of ham right here. And your girl is gonna just check it out. So yeah, your girl is gonna bake this ham off. Because it's a honey ham. And you know, it's not really much you can do with it besides wrap it and get it on in the oven, you guys. I hope I got enough foil for this. So yeah, we got enough foil. So we just gonna basically like put a covering on it, because we're gonna put this in the oven on 350 approximately, maybe about 40 minutes or whatever, you know. But we want to bake it because we have some pineapples and cherries, okay? So that's the idea of it. Now usually before I put this shell on it, I will put cloves on it, but let me check and see if I have any. Okay guys, so I do have some cloves. So I'm going to put some cloves on it. Even though I didn't have intentions on going this far. But we're going to put a couple cloves on it. Why? Because it actually, well, that one fell. It actually makes the ham smell more better, I guess you could say. Yes, so you guys, I know the holiday is coming in a month or two, but I was in the mood for a ham. I haven't had ham in a minute. I don't think I had it all last year. So today, your girl just wanted to go ahead and do a ham right quick. I'm not going to put too many over there. As you see, my nails getting in the way. But we're going to put a few more on here. Just a few more. Not spectacular. And like I said, we're going to put that shield over that aluminum foil. So in case you're wondering, how do you do a honey glazed spiral ham? And we also have some honey we're gonna also use, but that will be later once we bake it. But I will show you guys how to do the glaze. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna slide this on in the oven, and we'll move over to the next area. Okay, so guys, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some honey down in here. I'm gonna use all of this honey. And I'm going to use some of the juice off the cherries. And we're going to definitely use the pineapple juice. Open it carefully. Okay. Let me get this filled up. And we're going to add some brown sugar. And that's going to take care of our glaze for this ham, because I'm going to put it on the stove and I'm going to watch it. So I have it on medium, but I'm going to turn it up a little more. And I'm going to get a quick stir, because this is going to make my glaze for my ham. Now, if you don't have cloves, you can also use cinnamon, you know. But that's enough for me to put on there. And we're going to let this get a little thick, okay? Now, I'm going to add a little cornstarch. Not much. Just a little to help it with its thickness, because we don't want it too thick. And that should be enough cornstarch to help this glaze out. Okay guys, so we have pulled this out, our ham out the oven, because like I say, we just wanted to warm it up. Okay, so now, what I'm about to do is put our glaze on it. Ooh. Yes, it's hot. I don't know why I didn't break that off earlier. Wait a minute, I hear my greens over here doing something. Okay. So let me get me a fork. And we're just going to put us a couple of pineapples on here. Nothing major. I don't have any, let's stick that like that in there. I don't have any, what they call them, toothpicks. So yeah, bear with me. Here's what I will do. Okay. So we got a couple of cherries. Gonna stick it in here and see if it'll hold. But if not, it's still okay. But we'll figure it out. It's nothing. The panic over. I think that's enough. What you guys think? Let's see. Let me see if I can pick one of these. No, that's too much meat on that cherry. Yeah, that's too much meat. Yeah, I'm a smash. But it ain't gonna work. Okay. That ain't gonna work. But anyway, here go our glaze over here. And I am just gonna put this glaze over this ham. Slowly. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna save some for when it comes out. You guys, and I'm gonna stick this ham back in the oven and let it do some baking. Now, without a cover. So there you have it, you guys. Some delicious ham ready to serve, but it's not quite there because I'm just gonna put this little glaze back on it. A little extra glaze that I saved. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And yes, with the holidays coming up, you guys, you can enjoy you some delicious ham. Spiral honey glazed ham. Made easily. So simple. You guys. So yes, this is what I am having for dinner today, you guys. This is our dinner. And I know I might have one or two pop-ups, I might not. But even then, you know your girl, she'll find something to do with the leftovers. So I am going to get ready to close this video out. And I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.